Welcome to course Recommender System with Fast.ai and Python. The solutions we will use are powered by machine learning and statistics. Here is the roadmap of the course. First, we'll introduce why business needs recommender systems, especially in the era of e-commerce. Then we talk about the main solutions in industry and what are the hypotheses behind them. After that, we will get hands dirty by building a recommender system with Fast.ai. Last, we'll use association rule and popularity to build a hybrid recommender system. After the course, you will be able to expand and build recommender systems with these solutions to power your business and boost the sales. See you in next video.
Victory!